Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SFOR. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I want to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this analysis in the past, so that's where the red line and green line annotation are coming from, but certainly want to get things updated here after a pretty crazy day. So gap down here so the bears had a victory today. So just want to get some levels now mapped out from both the resistance and support perspective. I'm going to just use these lines here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart, but they're not really relevant anymore. So from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So we'll just use these lines going forward. First level to keep an eye on going into tomorrow is definitely going to be right there at 0.019. You can see after the price, made the gap down, the pretty nice bounce actually overall when you consider that the price was all the way down there and then eventually bounced all the way back up there. But after the bounce, was completed, right up around the 0019 is where, things kind of ran out of gas before the price ultimately rolled back over a little bit. So in any sort of continued bounce, or if there's a new bounce, anytime, the remainder of the week, obviously still 4 days left, so a lot of time for the bulls to potentially put something together. But point being, if there is a bounce, 0.019, certainly that first hurdle that the bulls are going to have to cross up above and fight through if the bounce is going to gain and start to, kind of draw in some more organic momentum. Now let's talk about levels of support. So for this, got to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. And the next key level of support, which I believe is where the price bounced off of today, I could be wrong though, is right here at, price did manage to stay above it, 0.016. On a couple different instances, obviously the price did fall down below it, both there and there, but in both of those instances, the price was able to bounce back up above it. Therefore, from a technical perspective, you still got to consider that a level of support. In the event 0.016 cannot hold, next key level of support to keep an eye on after that, down there at 0.014. So 0.016 and 0.014, next couple levels of support. As I mentioned earlier, the week is young, still 4 days left this week, so we'll see how it all unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.